Hello everyone! I wanted to share another POP MART story and additions to my collection. POP MART dropped another food theme series, and this time it features Twinkle Twinkle. It's my first piece from this IP, so I'm pretty excited to finally have one in the mix. I bought this set from the POP MART US local TikTok shop, and it took about 8 days to arrive. And so I wanted to share the unboxing of each piece with you so we can see each one for the first time together. All right, so let's open these up. It's a lot. Look at that. First box. A lot to go through. Oh, this is their corsage, and it's got a little protective piece. Look at that. The level of detail is really nice. Yeah, it's very, I mean, it's such a solid piece. Love it. Look at that, even the little face on that star. And the color, it's beautiful. Second piece. Oh, it's the gingerbread. It's the gingerbread house. See, look at this. Look at how, I mean, look at the level of detail in this. I mean, these pieces are no joke, you know? Look at that. I love it. It is just, it's so cute and it's so fun. Is that, wait, is it like that? Wait. Okay, this one is not stable, but I think it's gonna be like this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, wait. What are the secrets for this? Oh, it's not. I thought it was the secret. Nope, not the secret. But look at that. Look at this one. Isn't that crazy beautiful? My gosh. Look at that. I mean, these are definitely collector's items. Right, so this is the fourth one. Ooh. Oh, this is the pudding. The pudding. Look, I swear, I am blown away by the level of detail. Look at that. Look at that. And from what I understand, this means luck. Is that right? Or correct me if I'm wrong. That is too cute. Number 5. Oh, this is with the little puppy. Little puppy. This is chestnut cream. Chestnut cream. Look at that. Look at the details on his face, on his little butt. And even the puppy. Even the puppy is great. Look at how cute that puppy is. It's almost like you don't want to squeeze her. You want to squeeze her. 5. What the secret is. Oh no, this is not. This is not. Right? Yeah, no. This is Earl Teapot. Earl Teapot. Earl teapot. Tea time! Tea time. And it's got, I really should be looking at the cards. I know I'm not. So it goes with this little cup and this little bunny. I don't want to take it off of the plastic yet because I might lose it. So I had to look up the secrets for this series and how it looks like. It's supposed to be matcha themed. So this is box number 7. Whoa, okay, this is big. This one's a big one. This one is almost like one of the Molly Carb series. And this one is, these cards are very hard to read. And this one is coffee mug bath. I'm thinking that's a part of the display. Coffee mug bath. So pretty. Like you could even sort of just hold it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And look at this little cookie that's just hanging over that cup. And the little marshmallow. It even has a face. So cute. It's so cute. 8. This is the palmier. Palmiers are actually not hard to make, the cookie. The hardest part of the whole process is really the laminated dough. But to make the shape, it's actually pretty easy. Getting to this shape is the challenge. Those dang laminated doughs. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's got a shape in the back. Right? Look at that. So cute. My goodness. How about you guys? As far as a Pop Mart collector, a series collector, what has been your favorite so far? This one is flocked. Yeah, macaron! Of course, a macaron. Love making macarons. I love it. Look at that. Cute cookie. Sandwich cookie. A cookie headphone. Look at that. Look at the flocking on that. It's beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that super cute? Look at that. I love it. The macaron. And its tail. I love it. And look at the color and the design of the eyes. Beautiful. This is number 10. We're getting closer and closer to finding out if we got a secret. And this is not a secret. Sometimes I miss accessories that goes with it. It's a lot of small pieces. Look at this little baguette. And this one is Lazy Moments. Why is this called Lazy Moments? Why? Here's the little baguette and a little what is that called again? This type of bread. on top of the head and the pearls. I mean, this is almost like an evening out, holding a baguette. So cute. Second to the last one. This is like, I think the candy bowl. See, here's the little bowl. Oh. Let's try to see. There's like a million pieces on this one. Oh, there's the bowl. You gotta put it together. And then this one. So let me do that. So for this one, you have to put it together, and then there are little quote-unquote candy pieces. This is the star candy. And basically, is that right? I'm afraid of this piece. It's because it's not flush to the base that you could just sort of slip out. So there we go. And the last, what do we think this is? The size for this collection actually ranges from small, medium, and large kind of perspective. What do we think this is? Actually, I'm not going to look at the card. Let's be surprised. Not the secret. Not the secret. And this one is orange marmalade. And so that's how this looks like. It's got the orange upside down. Of course, the star. The cute little face. Like even this whole like puckering sculpture, beautiful. It's so nice. Look at that. And this is the last piece for the series. Okay, so not only did I grab this set, I also picked up the phone charm set. I couldn't resist. The colors and theme were just too cute, and I plan to pair them with my Labubus. I've been deep in POP MART TikTok lately, and I love how they style their Labubus with phone charms. It's such a cute pairing. I think it elevates the whole vibe. At this point, I think POP MART has me fully hypnotized. Their marketing, yeah, it works on me. And this one took about 8 days to arrive. So let's unbox these and take a look at them together. There's about 6 of them. And so this is how it looks like. First box. This is my first phone charm set ever from POP MART. Look at that. How cute. Look at this. I love the colors. I do. I love the colors. This is how it looks like. Look at that. I love the colors. I love the design. Like, it's really thoughtful. Look at that. I love it. Okay. The next phone charm. Look at this phone charm. It's earth colors. Love it. And there's Twinkle Twinkle. love the little pom-poms, the color scheme. I love it all. I love it. Look at that. This is the third phone charm. Ooh, look at this one. It's so pretty. It really is. Look at that. This is the star candy. Look at the color scheme. I love it. Look at that. There. Alright, the next one. Ooh, this one is a baguette. I think out of all of them, this is probably the only one that I wasn't too sure about the color scheme. The whole black and white with the baguette. I think they could have, well, it's not really completely black and white. It's black, gray, and green. Black, gray, white, and green. Okay, I thought they were just black and white from the pictures and the videos that I've seen online. Can definitely work with that. This one is fall colors. Fall colors. Well, to me, it's fall colors. Look at that. And I love the little details. I love it. Look at that. And last but not least, is there a secret on this one too? Oh, it does. It does have a secret. It does have a secret. So, nope, not the secret. We did not get any secrets. That's okay. And this one has almost like a Southwest vibe, you know, and a little palmier. I love it. I love the details and the colors and their little design. Just love it. Now I'm gonna pair these with my Labubus. And so the phone charms are just going to be accessories for my Labubus instead of my phone. Isn't that cute? Look at that. It's a different bling. And it's a pretty darn cute bling for my Labubus. I love it. And the next, it looks like that. Actually, let's put it on the other side because we don't want it to get in the way of her beret. Look at that. Cute, right? My gosh, I love it. You know, sometimes when I see this in my head, I'm thinking, will it work out? Yeah, it does. Yeah, it works out. Look at that. Ugh. That's why I really liked this collection, this Twinkle Twinkle collection phone charm, because for some reason it really worked out. The color scheme really worked out with the outfits that I have for my Labubus. Look at that. Right? And my duck, even my duck has its own. It just worked out that way, the color scheme. Look at that. And of course, Tiffany's, right? It just worked out. It did. The color scheme, I love it. And last but not least, look at that. Yes, I bought another costume for my Labubu. This one I got from Etsy, and it comes with the pail and the little Crocs. Look at that. I love it. So that's how it's going to hang on a purse. All right, and that's it for today's unboxing. Thanks for hanging out. and sharing this little Pop Mart moment with me. From my cozy corner of collectibles to yours, until next time, stay curious and keep collecting.